Welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to learn how to find the largest of the three given integers using JavaScript. Let's get started. The task is simple. We are given three integers and we need to determine which one is largest. We'll write a JavaScript function that does exactly that. Here's the basic JavaScript function we'll use. The function max of 3 checks the three integers and returns the largest one. Let's see how this works in detail. Let's break it down. First, we compare x and y and store the larger value in maxval. Then, we compare z with maxval to check if it's larger. Finally, we return the largest number. In this example, we compared the numbers 1, 0, and 1. Since 1 is the largest number, the function returns 1. In this example, we are comparing 0, -10, and -20. Since 0 is the largest, it is returned. Here, we are comparing larger positive integers 1000, 510, and 440. The largest value, 1000, is returned by the function. This is the same function written in ES6 arrow function and a more concise syntax. The logic is exactly the same, but this version is shorter. To sum it all up, we've learned how to compare three integers in JavaScript and return the largest one. This is a common pattern that can be applied in various coding problems. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more JavaScript lessons.